guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying Lego guns I got from Halloween. Let's open these and try some. Eat these. And we're going to do a rating after. Okay. Oh, these look good. So you got green, which I think it's green apple. That's a good flavor. Very good. And then here we got pink blue, which is should be good. That's great. Very good. Got red one. Okay. This is Amos for the gummy box, and they're very good. Thanks for watching. Bye.